Spark plug number 8. The most difficult one. Way back here. If you're working on this make and model, you know how hard it is to get them out. I got it out. Here, hold this. This is spark plug number 8. The one that's way back there. The hardest one. So we made the hardest one the first one. We got them out. We're going to be replacing the spark plug and the wires, which I got here. AC Delco plugs, AC Delco wires. I don't know if they're all the same or not, but we're just matching this to this.
Oh, I don't think they're the same.
This ain't the same. So we thought we ran into a bit of an issue because of the way they look, but I don't know if you buy wires with this cap on there, or if you're just supposed to switch it when you switch your wires. Does that look about right to you guys? See that? Does that look about right to you?
Looks just about right.
So, if it is or it isn't, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I'm putting them back in just like this. I'm switching up the caps, or whatever this is called. And we're gonna continue to replace. Anti-seize thread lubricant, and I think you don't have to go crazy with it. Just put a little bit there, maybe just a little bit right there, and as it turns in there, it'll smear the rest. So I think. All right. Let's get back in here. Oh boy. All wires are out, and a new spark plug's about to be put in on this side. All wires are out. All wires are being replaced with the caps. New wires, old wires. Okay, now all 4 spark plugs have been switched out. This last wire we already did. That was the very first one we did, the hardest one. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw the wires onto this side and jump over to the passenger side, where we driver's side, I'm sorry, where we still have not removed the old spark plugs, but this should be a piece of cake. And then we'll go ahead and add the wires to it. I already broke them all loose. Now I'm just taking them out. This driver's side is a lot easier than the passenger side. Only because of all the other wires and hoses and harnesses you got covering up the mother spark plugs. That whole passenger side is complete though. Wires, plugs. We're gonna go ahead and finish off these. Then I'll go ahead and drain the oil and get the new oil filter in. It's a little tight still. Get some new oil, get the new oil filter in, check the air filter. Go ahead and check the transmission fluid. Check the coolant fluid. Get it right for this cold weather coming. Here it goes. And there she is. We're gonna go ahead and put some anti-seize around the thread. I'm not gonna tighten them down just yet. I'm gonna do all 4. Then I'll go back and tighten them down, and then we'll just squeeze them wires in. So here goes the first one. Where is that? There you are. Feels like it's going in now. That's finger tight. Go ahead and drop another one in here. All right, drop another one.